I am so excited. I just bought the Galaxy Z Flip 8 Samsung phone and I'm about to unbox it in this video with you to share how it looks and my first impressions on it. I recently had the Flip phone 5 and I had this for about 3 years, but it recently just stopped working. But there's like a crunch in the bend part, but the screen just basically started flickering on me. I'll post a picture here and I just can't use it anymore. So it was kind of good timing because then I saw that this one had just literally been released today. And I feel like I was one of the first people in the store to go and get it. It was either between this one and the Flip phone 7, but it was only about $200 to $250 extra to get this one, which is gonna just be a bit better than the other one. So I thought if I'm getting a new phone, I may as well just go for the most expensive one. So I got the cream colour. And here it is. Oh my god, look at that. That is so nice. I was really liking the pink one as well, but there is something about this like white cream colour. That looks so good, and you can't even see the bend in it, like the little crease. I absolutely love this phone. It's so perfect. I do love the Flip phone, and I don't know why my other one decided to break on me. I could have got sand or something in the middle and over time it just broke, or maybe it was just the phone. But either way, I wanted to just risk it and get another Flip phone because I just love how compact and cute and small these are. Like, I used to love fitting it into my pocket, you know, I could just hold it in one hand. I also love how it's actually got a little bit of a better gap compared to this one. Let me just take my case off. The Flip 8 is slightly bigger, but it's definitely a lot thinner. And the Flip 8 is definitely lighter. I'll put the weight up on screen and maybe if I can find it, the weight of the Flip 5, just so you can compare it. So this one, 256 gigabytes. You get this little pin to get the SIM card in and out. Got a couple of little leaflets there as well. And I've also got a connector lead, charger lead here as well. But that is all you get inside of the package. Pretty simple, and it's actually quite cool how these days you don't have to have plugs with everything. Like, these leads just work and charge so many different devices now. Thank god it's collecting dust. Anyway, let's get this phone turned on. I don't think I finished what I was saying earlier, but yeah, there's a little bit of a gap in here, so it's actually easier to grab with your finger and open it. Like this one, I was trying to say before I compared the sizes, you don't have as much of a gap. Sometimes my fingers would slip, but this one just seemed a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna grab my SIM card. By the way, I really love this colour around the edge. It's almost like a light rose gold. Apparently the guy in the store when I bought this said that you don't actually need to put a screen protector on this bit because they already have one, and they're not recommended to put one on this phone, but you can get screen protectors for the front part. So I definitely need to get one of those. Plus I need to get a case for this as well. I do like sharing these kind of videos. I have a couple on my channel before when I've bought phones. I just don't buy these expensive items very often, so I never usually get to film stuff like this. But when I do get something, I'm pretty excited. So anyway, I'm just going to continue setting up the phone. So I've just gone through loads of like boring setup stuff. I'll be like adding all my apps in and stuff and setting everything up properly, but this is the home screen that it brings you to when it first opens. So you can swipe up to see all the apps, and you can swipe across as well. And if you swipe that way, it brings up Google, and you can swipe down to see your notifications. So it's still installing and setting things up. And then if I close this as well, let's see what the front screen looks like. It's pretty cool because I really liked the front screen add-on to these flip phones, but the other one is pretty small compared to this one, and you only get like it in a smaller area, whereas this one fills up like the whole screen. So I really love that. I'm going to definitely be using this a lot more, and I love that you can just swipe up and you've got access to all of your apps as well. It's so good. So exciting, and let's just see what the camera's like on the front. So that's the camera facing you. Apparently if you put your hand up, I learned, does a timer and then it takes a photo. That is like one of my favourite things. And then if we open it, comes into photo here as well. Oh, just realised I wasn't even in the shot. Well, that's handy, isn't it? So anyway, you can, but look how amazing that crease is in the middle. Like, you can't even see it. I can't even feel it. That's amazing. I really love that. I've just added my Galaxy background, which is a drawing I just did, to my home screen. And then to my lock screen, I have added the one where I've drawn the girl on top of the Galaxy scene, which I think looks so magical and amazing. I love it. I love how the time kind of fits around her head as well. And then if I close the phone, I actually set the Galaxy there as well as a little cover screen background. I really love this. And if you want to actually see how I did draw this whole girl, I did a video on this on my channel. So I'll link that if you want to watch that next. And also you can get this wallpaper in my Gumroad shop. So I'll leave a link below that for that if you want to see it. But thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.